Hello, Jimmy Kinley Guild Mortgage, Cherry Creek Mortgage Division. Reaching out to give you a quick update on what's happened in the last month. So as I told you in last month's video, we've seen rates go down, creeping up on 0.5% from end of last year into beginning of last month. Since then, we haven't really moved at all. In fact, the national average for a 30-year fixed mortgage conventional rate is exactly the same as it was 4 weeks ago. But we've seen a lot of turbulation in the interim. So I sent out a special update when the tariff wars first started, saying that a bad stock market is good for rates, which is true up to a point. So in the beginning of the tariff wars, investors start to move to safer investments. They get out of the stock market, they move to safer investments like treasuries, bonds, mortgage-backed securities. And as you've heard me say a million times, the Fed does not control a mortgage rate. When investors invest in mortgage-backed securities, those indexes go higher and rates go down. So we saw that up to a certain point, and then pure chaos came and availed. And when you get into full-blown fear mode, as far as an investing thing goes, this is when investors, me, you, big time investors, anyone, get to the point where they start to feel uncomfortable with all investments and they start moving to cash. That's bad for everything. And that actually caused rates to shoot back up because of they were selling off everything and moving to cash. Since then, the market has calmed back down and we've seen rates come back down. So we're pretty much where we started in the beginning. And this is the way this road is going to continue to go. Rates are going to continue to trend down very slowly. We are unfortunately going to have random bumps in the middle where they spike up. Unfortunately, that spike up, that can happen, not kidding, in 2 hours, can take 2-3 weeks to make up, which is why I always tell people, lock your rate. Unless there's absolutely something that could cause rates to shoot down, which is extremely rare. If you're under contract on a house, you should lock your rate. That's really all I got. If there's anything you need from me, please give me a call and let me know. My cell is best, 720-261-1410. Hope you're having a great day.